यार मेरा सुपरस्टार विथ मी गरिमा कुमार।
प्राची में काफी लॉस लग रहे हैं। प्राची, ये पूरी क्रिकेट पिच हमने रखी है यहाँ पर, क्या करें?
मैं तो चीयर लीडर हूँ, मेरा चीयर लीडर आउटफिट भी है, बट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर समवन हियर,
someone
special,
someone special. Someone special, probably the best, the only most successful captain.
Exactly, that's good for a hint.
हाँ,
जिनका नाम है
अज़हर। Prachi, I would like you also to walk in like the Azhar style, thoda.
Seriously,
Right, shall I tell you what to do?
you should teach.
I know what you should do. I'll give you a crash course on how to walk like Azhar.
Teach me.
तो पहले बैट को ऐसे लेफ्ट हाथ में पकड़ना
Left हाथ।
और his left shoulder थोड़ा सा उठाना।
Here, I'll do it with you.
Yeah, okay. Left shoulder थोड़ा सा उठाना. Okay, and head is down like that. इस तरह. And जब चलते हैं तो ऐसे चलते हैं तो.
Well, not that you can tell much in my heels.
What are you doing? You didn't pick up anything from that.
She just hit me also.
Means you're just walking like Prachi right now. Walk like Azhar. Do it again. Take two.
It's just not,
Take
it's
two.
just not happening in these heels.
Okay, walk towards me like this. It'll be easier if I showed you from here.
Achha,
So इस तरह, put your left shoulder up.
एक ऐसा.
ये left है, ये right है, correct?
So okay, we'll keep that.
Okay,
up.
yeah.
Yeah.
You all are fired. Both of you all are fired. Don't even try.
I'm fielding and I'm the cheerleader.
Okay.
So आप उनको ball डालेंगे and he's gonna bat.
But also, I want you also to be part of the whole thing.
Yeah, you be the fielder here.
I'll be
Prachi is the
bowling.
fielder.
Achha, Prachi is bowling. I'm the umpire. Okay, come on now, on the crease and.
No, that's a
Oh, I keep forgetting I have to get you out. But then.
2 runs.
Achha, I have to get you there.
Garima, terrible.
Sorry, I forgot I'm fielding. Okay, I should be behind the wicket. I'm gonna get him out now.
Sorry, but I'm sorry.
But wasn't it out?
मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही serious हो गया.
Terrible.
Okay,
Terrible.
sorry.
Come on, Prachi. Hey, Bhagwan.
I suppose to
Control.
just throw it here, na? Throw it in a good length here. But you know, it's not that one tappa, whatever you say, because you touched your hand and it went down.
But I don't care. You didn't specify that. You said one
rubbish,
tappa
not
out.
out.
It's out.
It's out.
Okay, now you're supposed to bat.
Yeah, Prachi, go. Now you're batting.
I'm
And
fielding.
he's bowling.
I'm fielding.
She's very confused. She's giving you, yeah, you're batting. You look ball, you're batting. Beta, ye bat hai.
I'm sorry. आप आइए, madam.
You're kidding me.
He made. How much was your score, Mr.
Listen.
Mr. Imran?
Around
I'm gonna.
4 plus 3, 7.
I'm gonna miss the ball the first time.
Prachi, you're stand. Okay, is she standing correctly, Azhar? I mean,
Okay,
Imran,
just,
please explain to her.
This is like that Sholay scene.
Yeah. Oh, Vasanti. हाँ.
So you have to tap the bat like this,
हाँ.
right? And now let the ball
almost
come
gonna
to you.
hit the stump.
Okay, let the ball come to you. And then this is the straight drive over there, that side. This is the on side. That's the off side. Okay? But you concentrate when the ball comes. Don't think about other things. Okay? Like you normally do.
What would be the other things you think about?
Various things, Garima.
Like
Come
one
on.
would be.
Like
Is
the
there
first
even-
thing is
is
there's
I-
so much. The first thing is this pressure, because he's playing. He's
Yeah.
playing in the opposite team. So
I know, but I'm supposed to get you out now, is it? I'm in her team.
no, you're in my team.
You're supposed to run, no?
Haan, I'm supposed to run. I'll run from this side.
Don't be mean, yeah, Imran. Don't throw spinners and all. Come on.
He has actually thought of a strategy in his head.
Yeah, see, he's like thinking
strategizing
hard and all.
now.
Don't be so mean.
I'm supposed to start walking, na? When you.
Out. This one is out. Go sit over there. जाओ बैठो वहाँ पे.
Go
sit
sit
over
over
there.
there. Okay.
Oh my
I was
God.
cheating.
Your interview is over. Get
I
out.
was still talking to you.
You are out. I don't know what you're loitering in the field over here.
Okay, I'll just stand for moral
Garima.
support for Prachi.
Okay.
What is this, Garima?
Sorry, I was just. He
Chalo,
cheated
ready?
me. Oh, beauty! 4 runs! 4
Very
runs!
good. Form.
That's what we were waiting for. Too good.
That's slow motion. Come back over there.
And now the final ball. That's what he wanted, huh? Mission achieved.
But it's well played.
Was
Well
it?
played.
Well, at least we got more runs than Imran.
Yeah.
I got 7.
made 4
What
now.
is more?
But you didn't.
4, 7.
Listen, all your runs were out because you hit the ball on Garima's face.
Yeah, and that was not allowed.
Okay, we won.
We won because he did a penalty of shooting, hitting the player like this.
A bunch of cheaters, man.
He's so very bad.
But don't worry, Prachi. Even if he claims that he has won this cricket, I have another cricket match that we're going to play in the next 5 minutes.
What do you say?
And usme I have a feeling we're going to win.
How's that?
Usme na, it's more about how well you are at, how good you are with luck and opening books and opening things like that.
That thing you play in school.
That thing we play in school.
Oh, the quiz thing which you're really bad at.
Book cricket thing.
Yeah.
Oh, the book. Oh my God.
Guy has played some cricket. But अगर किसी को आपको film pitch करनी हो, तो कुछ तरीके होते हैं. How to lure you into making a film?
I think, like for any actor, I think the best rule अगर director को आपको film में लेके आना है, तो make the person feel like it's all about them.
And for you, तो it was totally Azhar was all about.
Any film, अगर आप किसी फिल्म में एक supporting role भी कर रहे हैं, तो director उस तरह pitch करते हैं कि this is all about you. The actors are very selfish. They want, and rightfully so. अगर आप एक film कर रहे हैं तो आपको उस film से आपको mileage चाहिए. आप चाहते हैं कि film obviously कामयाब हो, लेकिन आप उसमें you benefit from it.
And to you, Prachi, अगर मुझे आपको film pitch करनी हो, तो मैं कैसे करूँ?
I'd actually say the opposite. I'd say just stay as honest as you can be, because I see through it. If you're trying to make something out to be all about me, which is not, I will see through it completely.
And of course, film का नाम तो अजहर है. लेकिन अगर एक film बने जिसका नाम इमरान हो, या एक film बने जिसका नाम प्राची हो, तो उसमें क्या-क्या चीज़ें you would want about your life to be shown, not shown? कैसी film बनेगी? वो horror होगी, वो comedy होगी, वो क्या होगी?
What my life?
Yours will be, हाँ.
I think dramatic genre होगा. Definitely horror नहीं होगा. मैंने बहुत सारी horror फिल्में की हैं, लेकिन उसका एक episode शायद होगा इस फिल्म में कि मैंने कुछ horror फिल्में की हैं. लेकिन एक dramatic ज़िंदगी होगी. I think everyone's life brings along that kind of drama, and ये खासियत इस फिल्म में भी है अज़हर में. I'm pitching our film again because we have put.
Very well done.
Because it obviously has cricket in it, लेकिन उनकी लाइफ में जो ड्रामा है वो दिखाना बहुत essential था. तो अगर मेरी ज़िंदगी के बारे में हो या प्राची की ज़िंदगी के बारे में हो, she has a very dramatic life actually. She doesn't share too much with people. It would keep the gossip mills running and tabloids running. अगर आपको पता चले कि प्राची की ज़िंदगी में क्या-क्या होता है, क्या-क्या नहीं हुआ है.
Like a revelation.
Like, कुछ और बताएंगे please? I'm interested now.
You want me to reveal about
But she won't reveal it. She won't reveal it.
तो अगर suppose अगर आपको इमरान की फिल्म देखनी है इमरान के बारे में, तो what are the top 3 things जो आप definitely चाहोगे कि ये चीज़ें मुझे देखनी है इमरान के बारे में या जानना है?
You know, I'd love to see what Imran's childhood was like. मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था that he was very close to his grandmom. I'd love to see that because I think Azhar mein there's a beautiful connect about him and his grandfather.
Yeah.
Which is a very beautiful part of the film. So I'd want to see that about Imran. And second, I think I'd want to see that phase just before he became an actor. Because I think that was never planned in his life.
No,
and
it
I've
was
read
by accident. Yeah,
exactly.
completely.
So I've read about that. Actually, वो बहुत ही एक interesting phase था when. You want to tell her what you like?
Actually, I was thoda bahut a part of that phase also.
You were?
So you like earlier we used
like 12 years.
That would be so interesting. Yes. And the third phase I think would be this phase when he's just written his book. I think these are 3 completely different, completely different phases and chapters of his life, which are so different. So I think these 3 phases.
We have to play some more games. But for that, you feel some way being a part of the industry also is like playing a game only. Like
it is definitely very a lot of ups and downs. I think that's like any sports person's life, and you have to be ready for all the hurdles. Success obviously जब भी आती है it's great, लेकिन जब failures आते हैं, जब obstacles आते हैं, they are very high profile. सब लोगों के सामने you kind of fail, a film fails, just like you lose a match. It's very disheartening because it's kind of shared with the nation.
Prachi, you agree? You've also seen a lot of rise and fall at the same time.
I completely agree. I mean, see, we all come with our own kind of personalities. What I've always learned is have a reality check constantly. And I'm a very, very practical person. So as sensitive or emotional as whatever I am, I think I deal with everything very, very practically. And that's the way to go about this, because I think we are in the most uncertain profession.
Yeah.
Nothing's really in your hands. So.
But there's something which is in our hands, which is going to be this book. And इसमें even numbers हैं. So when we open, and जो भी even numbers आएंगे, like 2, 4.
The last digit.
Yeah, we have to just add that. And if you get a 0, we are out. Okay. If you get an 8, it's 2 runs. ठीक है?
So पहले ball पे दोनों out होने वाले हैं.
Let us see. When did Azhar make his test debut?
When I was not born.
Really?
1984.
I was right. See, when I wasn't born, I get what.
She's right. I was almost born.
Yaar Mera Superstar with me, Garima Kumar.
You are batting first.
हाँ, we are.
तो आपको किताब खोलना है और मैं लिखूंगा score.
Yes.
और आप add करेंगे.
Okay. So game starts first. Batting
show
is
it
me.
to him. Yeah.
4.
Just wait.
Very good. 4.
Okay.
4.
Have you put your finger then you constantly open that same page?
I have some desire.
Some trust, yeah. He's very competitive. He's going to.
Oh, that's 2.
2.
I'm not getting out easily.
Okay, so that's 10.
4.
So that's 14.
12
You're
तो बच ही
very good in
जाएंगे यहाँ
maths,
पे.
yeah. I like Prachi's maths.
2. 16.
And the last one. 2.
2. 18.
So let's see. 18 is my score. Okay, 6 bar हुआ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come on, Prachi. Now it's your turn.
18.
18 is my score.
Oh God, I have to beat that.
Yeah. Okay. Start. 2.
2.
Come on, Prachi.
Oh shit.
And
Sorry
now.
about that. You kind of missed it by like 4 runs. I said 6. You
Come on.
just-
No, it
Now-
was a 6. What did you see? You saw 0. It was a 6.
Get over here.
What are you writing?
Get over here.
Now who's writing the score? Prachi.
It was a 6.
Prachi, score right. Score. Come on, to make him lose. Okay, let's do warm up before we start.
I'm the one who's batting. The leading warm.
Warm up because I'm also
Okay.
getting stressed.
Okay.
0. 2.
Write it, no?
Okay.
Yeah, he's cheating, no?
He's totally cheating. He's looking at the numbers.
That's looking
Okay,
at the
okay, I'll do it
numbers.
again.
हाँ,
Okay,
you
I'll do
got-
it again.
He's like
I got
flipping
2.
around.
He's like waiting to choose the page.
Flipping the pages, no?
Minus marks for cheating. I give you half my score.
Why you also the same score? No, she
You're
got
a
the same
team.
score.
So, आपका थोड़ा game
So I
change.
defeated you in the earlier game.
No, that also you
wrong
hit
with
me. He hit me.
Why you require real cricketing skills,
No,
not
no.
some book cricket.
Okay, real cricketing skills. Here we are. We're
He
all
hit you
about
in
real
the face,
cricketing
man.
skills.
Okay,
Huh?
this.
Okay, this
Okay,
is
no,
all
that's
about Muhammad Azharuddin's life. So let's see how much you guys.
Both of
know.
us? You asking both of us?
When is Azharuddin's birthday?
February
8th.
8th.
Very well done. I don't know who won in this two. But
Both of us won.
contributed.
1
Okay,
point.
0-0. When did Azhar make
This game
his...
is not against the two of us. It cannot
is.
be. It's us versus you.
This is a very
Okay,
far out
whatever it is.
concept.
Chalo.
When did Azhar make his test debut?
When I was not born.
Really? You know?
1984.
I was right. See, when I wasn't born, I get what.
She's right. I was almost born.
Do I get points or am I going to keep arguing about who was
Yeah,
born when?
you got 2.
I've got 2 points.
But she also
and
has
I'm
a
gonna
point.
win
I
this
got,
again.
I
But she
got
has
2
a point.
points and you got 2 points.
She has a point, she wasn't born. And 1984, she was not
That
born.
doesn't matter.
I say you get half a point.
I got a full point. Stop it. Come
Chalo,
on.
come on.
Which year Azhar played his last test?
1999.
I'm out of here.
Close.
Imran?
1998.
Very far.
What the hell? 2000.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, 2000. Oh shit, sorry, yeah. That point should be given to me. I got
Acha.
confused with the question.
Now I'm asking the next
2000, let's take that.
you ask.
Okay, I'll do it again. So you
Okay.
said it got
Acha, oh.
2000.
We are doing it again now, which I'm going to show.
Come on,
Okay,
ask
come
the
on.
question again. Ask
Okay.
that question
How
again.
Which year Azharuddin played his last test?
2000.
Really? Wow. In his last test, how much did he score? Last test match. Hey, cheater.
Last test match. That's a difficult one. Yeah. Okay, probably.
Oh. He scored the same thing in his last test match and his first test match. He scored that same runs.
Century.
Well done, Taria. And the final question. No, last 2 questions. Who has written the book Azhar?
Prashad.
Woo! He's rocking
Imran's
it.
read it.
What are you
Yeah.
doing here?
What am I
Also
doing?
acted in the movie, na?
Yeah, so
We should know now.
I was reading about Nori.
This is a bystander. I don't know what you're doing. Excuse me. Can you just say water, please? Pani likhe.
I was in Hyderabad.
She was busy.
I was
Azhar is the 3rd most successful Indian captain. Who are the other 2?
Dhoni.
Dhoni.
Yes.
Ganguly.
And the award goes to our very own
Hamper, what the hell are you giving it this for?
And I will get the hamper after this shortly. And the final game. Okay, now ये सब चेहरे हैं cricketers के. We have to hold up the चेहरा.
And Imran has to guess the name.
So I'm picking it up.
Yeah, pick up.
चलो पता ही नहीं है कौन है.
No. One sec. Listen. Okay, I'll tell you. Tell me a name of.
You can say Saif.
Okay, Saif Ali Khan.
Pataudi.
Very good. What is Pataudi uncle's full name?
I don't know full name. Mansoor Ali Khan.
Mansoor Ali Khan.
Mansoor. Shut up. I'll take two. Mansoor Ali Khan. Why are you laughing? Badtameez. Did I get it right?
Yes. Very good.
Okay,
Next
Shara,
player.
next one.
Ah.
So there's a film being made about this cricketer just after us.
There are two actually, so that'll be
the
tough.
one-
Thanks for this stupid hint of yours.
The first one after us.
Dhoni?
Well
This is
done.
also Sachin's film, no?
But that's
Well
later.
done. But
No, it's recent. It might
your
be
GK
before
is
that.
very good, Imran. You are aware कि एक और picture आ रही है. Oh ho.
He's the hottest current cricket player, the youngest and one of the youngest and hottest.
Hottest भी है.
Yeah.
Actually he is hot.
Virat?
Yeah.
Good one. He was the biggest supporter of Azharuddin.
Kapil Dev.
Yeah! Was he? He was.
Oh, well done,
See,
Prachi.
I know,
Pitched
I
the
know.
film also साथ में. Impressive. And now Prachi, your last. Wait,
No, he's picking it up.
But I want him also to give clues. Now you already saw this.
No.
Okay, I haven't seen it, so I
You know
don't
she sees it doesn't matter.
She won't know.
How mean.
You saw? You
I saw
Give
it.
it, give it,
saw,
give
you
it.
know
I've seen it.
Oh, then
Have
I'll
you
to
seen
hold
it?
No, I
One of
don't.
the
Okay,
captains.
Kolkata.
One of the captains.
One of the captain.
Okay,
Kolkata.
Very bad
Kolkata.
clue, Imran.
Kolkata.
Gaurav! Talk about me getting a brain freeze. Gaurav. Gaurav
Saurabh
Ganguly.
Ganguly became Gaurav.
Gaurav and Saurabh.
Gaurav Ganguly. कुछ जी से याद था मुझे.
I'm sorry about that, but I had super fun playing all
Yay.
kinds of cricket stuff. Did you all have fun?
Oh my God.
I had great fun. Your interviews are always so entertaining and so creative.
Thank you.
And thank you for this pitch. Thank you for losing, like always.
Imran scored two great.
Before we go,
That was in book cricket.
can I?
In actual cricket, I won.
क्योंकि मुझे आपका क्रिकेट खेलना है. There are also a lot of fans out here who've come to meet you all. उनको भी आपके साथ क्रिकेट खेलना है.
Okay.
So let's bring them
Great.
on. You can meet them, click your selfies, and then
Yes.
How
let's
sweet.
play cricket.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
डर के आते हैं ना fans.
Hi. How are you doing?
They're
Nice.
scared of Imran.
Hi.
So we'll quickly play one round of cricket with Azhar.
Yeah, I think y'all should bat. Because
all of
like
us
everyone
will
wants to bat.
Yeah,
So-
why not?
And Garima also will bat.
हाँ.
You've missed your batting, no?
Sorry. Sorry. हाँ.
That's not the bat. That's the mic. मुझे ball
Come
दे
on,
दो.
fans.
And वो
You'll
just stumps
be the
लगा दो.
cheerleaders. You'll be the cheer.
She's giving you the mic.
I'm giving you
Who are
away.
you?
What is happening? I'm losing my plot. Okay, let's start.
Here goes.
Whoa.
Whoa, nice.
Good. Well done. And now me. Girls cheer up.
Woo, come on. Garima. Gaurav.
Very good. 4 runs.
And thank you so much. Always a pleasure interviewing both of you all.
Same here.
Imi
Pleasure.
saab, thank you.
Thank you.
Yaar Mera Superstar with me, Garima Kumar.